Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to use Censys. Censys is also a search engine which basically collects all the data from the internet connected devices. So Censys.io aggregates the data collection as a part of Scans.io project. It aggregates SSL and TLS certificates as well, and it lets us search through them. Thus, potentially, it helps us discover new subdomains. So, as it keeps all the data sets into its Censys database with the help of crawlers, we are going to utilize that particular data set for enumeration and recon. Basically, we are going to identify subdomains that we can later use for hunting. As you can see over here, this is how the dashboard looks like, wherein you have to select the filter that is certificates from here, or you can just go into the URL and type censys.io/certificates q equals to, which is the query, and then you can give your target for which you want to enumerate the subdomains of. Also, I'm going to give the links into the resources section for all the tools that we are performing. All right, so it is the practical time, and let's see how we can utilize Censys for doing subdomain enumeration. So as you can see over here, first I would recommend to register on Censys and create an account. So let us just quickly register. So once you have registered onto this, you have to give your basic details and then you can verify your account. So let me just quickly log in and also verify my account. Alright, so as you can see, we have logged in into our account right now. So I'm just going to choose your certificates. You can choose it over here, or you can just copy and paste this particular URL as well. So as this is loading, you can see the number of certificates and the data sets that Censys has collected over here. See the collection over here. You can see there are total 2177. Sorry for that. Let me go back to certificates, and you can see over here there are total 2177.79 million Let's Encrypt certificates. So Let's Encrypt is basically a free SSL certificate provider, and it gives you the certificates which you can install onto your website. So by this particular root CA, you can see there were total a lot of certificates. It was around 2177 million. You can see cPanel has also given 338 certificate, and it has the data sets over here. You can see by Cloudflare 124 million, Sectigo, Komodo CA, DigiCert, Google Trust Services, GoDaddy, Cloudflare, Microsoft, Fortinet, Amazon, and so on. So you can see the total number of issuers which have given the certificates, and you can see the data definitions which are there and crawled by Censys, which is very huge. So you just need to search over here. So what we are going to do is we are going to search for Hacktify, which you can see over here. I have already searched to all those particular domains which have the SSL certificate and which matches this particular domain. We are going to see those results from the data definitions of Censys. As you can see, we have total 18 results which was given in 646 milliseconds. So I do not have any subdomains. I just have the basic default subdomains like cPanel, as you can see, mail and webdisk. Apart from this, there are no subdomains. That's why you're not able to see a huge number of subdomains for this particular target. All right, but let us see the subdomains for another target. So let us search for Uber and let me hit enter. And let's see how many results do we get. As you can see, we have got total 38,288 results in just a quick 6242 milliseconds. As you can see, these are a lot of subdomains, a huge data set of subdomains which you can utilize. As you can see, 34,000 subdomains are given by them, their own root CA. Other are from Let's Encrypt, Komodo, cPanel, and DigiCert, Cloudflare, and others as well. All right, so you can see over here, drivers-uber.com, go-uber, sa-uber, mail uber, socio-uber, aqua, mail again, trans-uber, www.go-uber, lenny-uber.com, and you can just go on to the next pages and you can see the number of certificates are given to the domains and the number of domains. As you can see, tt bush vps.trans-uber. So you are able to see the latest data which has been crawled from census and huge number of results which you can utilize later on. You can also get this report. You can just select 1000, click on build report, and an automatic report will be generated for you, which you can utilize. Also, you can use or parse all these particular domains and further use them for your pen testing or bug bounty hunting. So I hope you guys understood how you can get a lot of domains and subdomains from census. Thank you.